Hello children, it's pleasant to see you all. Welcome to the new academic year 2020 and 21. Beware of this pandemic COVID-19 and follow the necessary precautions. Wash your hands for every 20 minutes using sanitizer or a soap. Drink lots of water to be healthy and fit. Eat healthy fruits and vegetables to boost up your immunity. I heartily welcome you once again to the new academic year. I extend my warm thanks for our school management for taking initiation to start online and offline classes. Please utilize this opportunity and imbibe the content into your brains. Let me introduce myself. I am Ambika, your general science teacher for this new academic year. Science is the subject that explores you to the world to improve your creativity, innovations, thinking, art, and helps in new inventions and discoveries. In this year, you will learn fun activities and experiments in the new way of learning. Are you all ready with your stuff, children? Take a notebook and a pen and make a note of important points in the lesson. Do you know, children, why do you feel hungry? Yes. Is there any pinching sensation in our stomach? No. Let me explain you. We feel hungry when we do not eat food for a long time. Our body needs food when it feels hungry. Food is the basic source of energy for our body. So, today we are going to learn our new lesson, food, our basic need. What is our new lesson, children? Food, our basic need. Look at this picture, children. What can you see in the picture? Yes, you can see many plants, humans and animals. Right, children? Do all these are living things? Yes, all these are living things. How can you say these all are living things, children? They grow, they breathe, they walk, they move, right, children? So, these all are living things. Do they need food? Yes. Plants prepare their own food, right, children? Humans and animals depend on plants and animals for food. So, why do we need food, children? We need food to get energy for our body. As we get energy, what can we do? We can do various activities like walking, running, playing, talking, eating. All these activities are done when we get energy. What can you see here, children? Yes, it is a supermarket, right? Yes, Reena went to a departmental store. Children, have you ever went to a departmental store? Yes. So, Reena bought some of the food items to her home like vegetables, fruits, pulses, spices, meat, fish, milk and oil. Look at this tabular column and complete this tabular column by pausing the video. Right, children? Did you understand? Pause the video and observe the before picture and sort out the food items. Look at this picture, children. What can you see in the picture? Yes, some fruits and vegetables. Are they raw or cooked, children? They are raw. Can we eat all the raw food items? No. Why can't we eat all the raw food items? Because it doesn't give any taste. Right, children? Cooked food. For cooking food, do we need only one ingredient, children? No. We need different ingredients to cook the food. Right, children? And cooking food gives us taste. Only for taste we need to cook food? No. It also gives us energy. Right, children? Likewise, we need different components in the food. So, food is made up of different components. What is meant by components, children? Components are nothing but parts. The components in food are essential for energy, growth, health and fitness. So, the components in food that are essential for energy, growth, fitness and health are called nutrients. What are nutrients, children? The components in food that are essential for growth, energy, health and fitness are called nutrients. Are all the nutrients important for our body? Yes, you are exactly right. Only one nutrient is not important for our body. Every nutrient plays an important role for our body. Like we have 5 nutrients that are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Every nutrient plays an important role in our body. Like some helps us to grow, some helps us to fight with diseases, some helps us to do work. Right, children? So, every nutrient is important. Look at this picture, children. Is only one ingredient present in that? No. We have different food items in it. Right, children? Like bread, pasta, milk and milk products, green leafy vegetables, fruits. Right, children? In all these food items, do they have only one nutrient in it? No. They have different nutrients in different food items. So, in the next class, let us discuss in more detail about it. Based on the nutrients present in the food, nutrients are classified into 3 groups. One is energy giving foods and the second one is body building foods and the third one is protective foods. Energy giving foods are rich in carbohydrates and fats. Body building foods are rich in proteins. Protective foods are rich in vitamins and minerals. As we lose our energy, we need more carbohydrate rich food which gives us energy. Body building foods which are rich in proteins are important for the growth of our body. Protective foods are rich in vitamins and minerals that helps us to fight with the diseases when we fall ill. Classification of nutrients. Nutrients are classified into 3 groups. One is energy giving foods, protective foods and body building foods. Right, children? Did you all understand the concept, children? Today we have learnt in this class why do we need food, components of food and nutrients are classified into 5 types that are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. And why do we call them as energy giving foods, protective foods and body building foods? Let us discuss more detail in the next class. Right, children? As the climate has changed, all of you drink hot water and take care of yourself. In our school app, our school has uploaded worksheets so that by the next class, complete the worksheet and be ready, children. If you didn't understand the concept, replay the video once or twice and watch the video and complete your worksheet. Thank you, children, for listening the class. See you, children.